So over here you can see that I have a page, and let's say what I want to do is I want to pin out this page on my taskbar as if it were an app. So you can easily do that by going around onto the three dot button around over here, and then by going into more tools. And over here you can see that pin to taskbar is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that it asks whether I'd like to pin Microsoft Edge, that is Wikipedia page, to your taskbar. So I'm just going to go around and say yes right here. So if I were to go around onto my taskbar, you can see that Wikipedia has been pinned out right here as a separate app, as you can see. And if I were to go around and click, then it would open this page up in Microsoft Edge. I can also go around and pin it out onto my start menu. So to do that, you can click on the three dot button over here. Then you can go around onto more tools and pin it to start as well. So once you go around and do that, you can press yes. And what happens is that on your start menu, you can go around and scroll down. And over here, you can see that Wikipedia Microsoft Edge page has been pinned out just like this. And that is how you can go around and pin web pages to taskbar and start menu inside from Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.